I'm trying to get the rest of my wiring done here, get the holes drilled out for the lights. Don't think I'll do any welding. I'll see how today goes. I just went and spent a shitload of money on fucking lights. So my first plan here is I need to get the LED bar back up there. And then I bought 2 spotlights like it's on the other truck just for pointing down. I just want to get that drilled out first and get them made up. I should do that first. I need to tidy up here a bit because it's driving me cracked. Not easy. I don't know if there's a timer on that video how long it took me to find that little fucker in the lift joint. I think I'll be able to point that down. There's a little edge here, it'll bring the shadow in so I'm not blinding anyone way down the road behind me. Just put it on the edge there. I'm just going to drill that out on the other side. Move on next to that. Splatter would have to be right now. Right, camera, don't fall. Fucking close. fucker wants to fall. Out there now. Nice neat looking. What I'll do now is I might do the two tail lights. Get them up. Wanted a bunch of wires from straight out through the hole with the hole right here. I'll do that, it's got a deburr tool and I'll elongate a little bit that way. But I'll deburr that with a bigger bit now while it's here. I hate doing all this drilling. The stem tail lights now drilled, both sides ready to go. So the only other thing up here I want to do is my red LED markers. Trying to decide 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9 of them. But what I want to do first, I want to see can I get screws to hold them in. I want to get stainless steel screws. And I changed my side markers. I was putting these side markers on it because they're real thin. They don't stick out at all early. But to cut that square in this 6mm and get it even and do all of them and still have enough room for the screw, I changed it over to these. Actually, these are a bit brighter. 4 LED. There's 4 LEDs in them. So what I have to do is drill that big hole. I'm going to get the hole, do the hole as big as I can just so it doesn't start scraping these. I have loads of room each side for the screws. Nice and neat. Doesn't stick out much at all. So I was going to put 3. And see 1. Don't know where that one's going. 2 and 3 down there, but might go buy next one. Put 4 on it. 1 there. I was going to put another one up here, but I don't want to go too fucking mental with lights. It's going to be broke enough. See, we have a couple of new subscribers to the channel there. Wouldn't mind putting in the comments below where you're from. See what part of the world you're from, or is everyone from Ireland here? Alright, cheers, thank you.